Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Canva website to an existing domain step by step. Canva now allows you to create and publish websites, but to make them look more professional, you need to connect them to your own custom domain. Whether you are already have whether you already have a domain from GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, or another provider, this guide will walk you through the entire process. Make sure to watch till the end because I will also share some troubleshooting tips if your website doesn't go live immediately. Let's get started. Before connecting a domain, you need to have your website ready in Canva. Go to Canva and click on Create a Design. Search for website and select a template that fits your needs. Customize the design by adding your logo, images, text, and buttons. When you are happy with the design, click on Publish as Website in the top right corner. Once you click Publish as Website, you will see four options. 1. Free domain. 2. Buy a new domain. 3. Use my own domain. 4. Embed in existing site. To connect your existing domain, select Use my own domain. Enter your domain name like www.yourwebsite.com. Click Continue and Canva will provide you with DNS settings to update in your domain provider's dashboard. Now let's update these settings in your domain provider's account. Now you need to update your DNS settings with the details provided by Canva. For GoDaddy users, log into GoDaddy and go to Products. Click Manage next to your domain. Find the DNS settings or DNS management option. Locate the CNAME record and update it with the value from Canva. Save changes and wait for it to update. Log now for Namecheap users. Log into Namecheap and select your domain. Go to Advanced DNS settings, add a new CNAME record with the values Canva provided. Save and wait for propagation. For Google Domains user, open Google Domains and select your domain. Click Manage DNS. Add the CNAME and a record from Canva. Save changes. Once updated, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours for the changes to take effect. But don't worry, I will show you how to check if it's working in the next step. Now let's check if your domain is successfully connected. Go back to Canva and click refresh on the domain settings page. If everything is set up correctly, you will see a connected message. Click publish website and your site will go live. If the website isn't showing yet, don't panic. It can take a few hours for DNS changes to propagate across the internet. If your website isn't working yet, here's some common fixes. Clear your browser cache. Sometimes your browser might still be loading an old version of your site. Check DNS propagation. Use a tool like what's my DNS dot what's what's my DNS.net to see if your domain's new settings have been updated worldwide. Wait for propagation. Some registers take longer to update DNS records, so give it up to 48 hours. Finally, double check your CNAME and a records. Make sure they match exactly that Canva provided. If none of these steps work, contact Canva support or your domain registrar's support team for help. And that's it. You have successfully connected your Canva website to your custom domain. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more website and Canva tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if your website isn't connecting. I will be happy to help. Watch my next video for more Canva and WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.